Topic is extraction of crude metals. Already in metallurgy, total of 3 steps are taken place: concentration of the ores, extraction of crude metals, refining of crude metals. So concentration of ores already we completed. In the concentration of ores, any unwanted impurities present in the ores are removed by several processes. Already we seen gravity separation, flotation, leaching, electromagnetic separation, leaching, the electromagnetic separation. So next topic is extraction of crude metals. Extraction of crude metal takes place in 2 steps. First step, conversion of ore into metal oxide. Conversion of ore into metal oxide. Second step, reduction of metal oxide to metal. In case of reduction of metal oxide to metal, metal exists in elemental state, that is zero oxidation state. So they will ask, why you can ask question, why ore is converted into only metal oxide? Why not metal carbonate or metal sulfate or metal sulfide? So they will ask any 2 mark question or application oriented question. So they will ask, why does ore is converted into metal oxide before reduction? Why not it is converted into metal carbonate or metal sulfate or metal sulfide? Reason is, according to thermodynamic principle, reduction of metal oxide is easier compared to the compounds of the metal. That means compounds of the metal, is metal carbonate or metal sulfate or metal sulfide. So they will ask question. So why does ore is converted into metal oxide before reduction? Reason, principle of thermodynamics said reduction of metal oxide is easier compared to the compounds of the metal. So in the first step, conversion of ore into metal oxide. 2 steps takes place in 2 methods. One is roasting, next is calcination. So roasting, in the heading itself you know that roasting means in the presence of air it is possible. It is possible in the absence of air. So roasting means conversion of sulfide ores into their oxides. How it is converted sulfide ore into their oxide? So concentrated ore is heated with excess of oxygen below the melting point of the metal. So in this case, any impurities present in the metal is converted into volatile oxide. Volatile means vaporizing compound. So we'll take an example. They said any concentrated ore, sulfide ore is converted into oxide. So we take zinc blend, heating in the excess of air. So sulfide is converted into oxide. So it is converted into ZnO plus SO2. So balance the equation. So here 2, so you put 2 ZnO, here 2. Sulfur here it is 2. So number of oxygen right hand side, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, so you put 3. Similar way you try for galena, PbS plus O2 on excess of air. So heating the excess of air. Compound is PbO plus SO2, same balance, 2Pb, 2S2. So third point they mention, any impurities present converted into their volatile oxide. Suppose you take phosphorus impurity. It is converted into P4O10 on heating. If it is arsenic impurity on heating, it is converted into arsenic oxide, As2O3. So on balance, here it is 2As4, 2 3s are 6, 3O2. So roasting they will ask in 2 mark question or 3 mark question. What is roasting? Give one example. So roasting definition, concentrated ore is heated with the excess of oxygen below the melting point of the metal. So in case of calcination, I said it is in the presence of air. In case of calcination, absence of air. So concentrated ore is heated in the absence of air. Second point, if water in the hydrated oxide escape as moisture. So it is in the absence of air. You take any carbonate salts. Take calcium carbonate, on heating it form calcium oxide, expulsion of CO2 gas. If you take magnesium carbonate, same. It form on heating in the absence of air, form MgO plus CO2. Second point I mentioned, water in the hydrated oxide escape as moisture. You take bauxite, Al2O3 dot 2H2O. So on heating, so any water in the hydrated oxide escape as moisture. This 2H2O is expelled. So 2H2O is expelled means the remaining compound is Al2O3. So this was the first step of conversion of ore into metal oxide. Takes place in two methods, roasting and calcination. Next we will go to reduction of metal oxide to metal. So in this topic they will ask any question. So what are the steps involved in the extraction of crude metals? Suppose they will ask in 2 mark. Steps involved in the extraction of crude metals means first step conversion of ore into metal oxide. Second step reduction of metal oxide to metal. Maybe I said any application oriented question means they will ask this. Why does ore is converted into metal oxide before reduction? You mentioned thermodynamic principle. Reduction of metal oxide is easier compared to the compounds of the metal. That means it can be a metal carbonate or metal sulfate or metal sulfide. So first step is over, conversion of ore into metal oxide. Next we will see reduction of metal oxide to metal.